So here are the few other interesting string functions to consider. You can include the header file string.h for these functions. There is a function called strlen which you have already seen. This returns you the length of the given string. So strlen of abc will give you the length 3. And similarly you have another function called strcpy, and this copies the source string into the destination string. Please make sure that you understand that source string is in the second argument and destination is in the first argument. This is similar to what we do when we say a equal to 10. 10 is copied to a. So similarly source will be on the right side. Now strcpy of s2 comma s1 means the content of s1 is copied to content of s2. Now similarly there is another function called strcat, string concatenation. This is used in order to combine multiple strings. When we say strcat of s1 comma s2, the content of s1 is appended with the content of s2. So this is how the resultant string is going to be. Given that s1 is abc and s2 is xyz, you will find s1 value is abc xyz once you complete the function call strcat. And similarly there is another one important function called strcmp, which is used for string comparison. So what is string comparison? So you initially, for your simple understanding, you consider that is a dictionary order, except that you need to know that the capital A is always less than small a, because capital A ASCII code is 65 and small a ASCII code is 97. So this is what you need to understand when you are comparing two strings. So when we say strcmp of str1 comma str2, now it returns a positive value if str1 is greater than str2, and it returns a negative value when str1 is less than str2 and equal to 0 when both are equal. And internally the return value will be the difference between these ASCII codes itself. Now just to understand that C is less than D, so C ASCII code is 99 and small d ASCII code is 100, so 99 is less than 100, hence C will be less than D. But in case of capital ABC and small ABC, you will find that capital ABC is less than small abc because the first character ASCII code is capital A, and that is 65, and small a ASCII code is 97. So all the entire string is matched till a difference character is found. And if you look at this example, small ab less than abc, for simple understanding you can consider this as dictionary order, but in reality what is going to be compared is /0 is compared with C, because the third character is /0 in the first string. /0 means 0. 0 is compared with C, which is always less than. 0 will always be less than the ASCII code of C. And these are some of the interesting string functions which you can use during your programming, so that these functions will make our life easy.